currently on the is 123 page at quibos.net/is at 123, and you can go through the features of the app. But let's go straight to the first up. You can sign up for an account by clicking this link, and while you're doing that, you can start your download so the both will be going on simultaneously. So I'm going to start my download and then start my sign up process. So you take the link and you go to the sign up tab and create your sample. So we're going to have sample company as company name, address sample avenue, email info@sample.com, business type, we will select general, phone number, let's say sample number, username, we select sample user and create a password. Then click I'm not a robot to do the Google capture. Swaps. The sign up button and the account has been successfully created. You can sign in with the account details, sample user, and your password to confirm it works. So it works, and then we'll go offline to our installation. This is my downloaded setup, and it's a zip file, so I want to extract the files in that zip file so that I can use them externally. So I click extract or extract plus is over. I go back to my desktop, and this is the extracted folder. This is these 1 to 3 setup. I double click that to begin the installation process. Yes, I accept. Next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, click this. If you do not want it, do not click it. Click next. Install to continue the installation. And click install. Thank you for choosing this 1 to 3. Next, I want to view the README file and also launch the app. So I say finish, and this is the README file. It says steps to get started with these 1 to 3. 1, you need an admin account. That is the account we set up earlier on. If you've not done that, please copy this link 123.quibos.net and go to your browser and do the same. So if I wasn't logged in, I was logged out. You can paste the link to direct you there, then take the sign up tab and create your own account. Then it says in step 1, enter the username and password you signed up with. In step 2, select trial or select and enter your program key. Hints or examples are given in the other steps. So the app has started up and we can begin our setup. So we can click the next button, and please note you need internet connection to complete the setup process. After that, your app works completely offline. So first name of the admin, let's use John Doe. The username, which is the one we signed up with online, that is sample user. Then we enter our password. Hit next. Account successfully synced. Do you have an activation key? If you do, enter it. If not, so we click trial, 30 days trial, and we click next. Then we enter our sample company, info@sample sample auto, sample avenue, and our sample content. Next, create staff designations, the job titles the employees in the business perform have. So in this example, we're gonna have marketer 1 and description, first year marketer. Let's add another job title. We'll have senior engineer. So 5th year engineer. Let's add one more. And that will be driver. It's a company driver. Hit the next button. And here we can create our income and expense categories. Let's create a category for the expense. Let's create another category, repairs. That's another expense. Let's create one. Let's say products. Let's call that income category. And then services. That also be an income category. You can go on to the next. Then create business sections. You can create several businesses and manage them with Biz 1, 2, 3. So, for example, I'm just going to follow the sample given here and say Biz 1. Let's say our packaging business. Let's say Biz 2. Our fashion design business. So the business here for you will be the actual name you call your business or the business section of your company or your customers know it as. And the description will be your own choice as well. So we're going to next. And then create taxes. Taxes will be available for you to add to your invoice. So let's create the example given that it's a percentage tax and 75%. So next. Years, let's create years 2019. Any description will do. You can actually even repeat the same year, 2019 as description. The 2020, you can put a year of success. And you can do 2021, 2022. We don't actually use the descriptions, so you can put anything you actually desire there. Then next, set defaults. What month is your first business month? Let's choose September. Active year 2021. Default business for transactions. Set this one. Update inventory. If you're doing activities that have to do with items or products in your inventory, do you want the app to ask you to update? Do you want the app to automatically do it? Or do you want the app to not even do that at all? You might not want the app to update inventory if you're in the services business, like photography. You might have your services listed as products, but you actually don't want the inventory to be updated, but you want those services available for you to add to your invoices. But I would choose ask them. In how many days by default do you want your invoices to be due? In 7 days, in 30 days, in 100 days? I'll choose 10 days. So in the 10 days. Then invoice numbering. What format do you want your invoice to be numbered with? Create a prefix. Let me say a fixture with sample hyphen the next number. You might already have an invoice numbering that you're currently running before you start using Biz 1 to 3, so you might want to change this number. But I'll leave this where it is and hit done. Setup is done. Sample user and then our password. There you go. That's the setup process. We do not have any data yet, and because of that, all our summary right now are showing 0. But in other videos, we'll go through the review of each of these sections and what each of them actually do. See you in the next video.